Hello guys, welcome to my AMC8 review video. Today we're gonna do number 21 from 2014 exam. The 7-digit numbers, and we have two of those, are each multiple of 3. Which of the following could be the value of C? So it's asking the digit of C here. Let me tell you the cool theory about the number 3, or the multiple of 3. So for example, if you have, number as easy as 123, I know this is divisible by 3. That's because if I add the digits here, hundreds digit, tens digit, and unit digit, it adds up to 6, right? And if that 6 is divisible by 3, then this whole number is also divisible by 3. So you can kind of, impress your mom or dad, saying, hey dad, I can just make up all this, and just make sure this is multiple of 3. This is 6, 8, 8, 9, 13. Let's add 2 more. So this should be 15, right? 6, 8, 12, 13, 15. I know for sure that this is divisible by 3. Okay. All right. So going back to this, so let's focus this number. 7, 4, 8, 5, 2. Okay, let's add the digits up. Okay, you can add the like terms like constant. 7 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1, 11, 16, 18, 19. 19 plus A plus B. And let's go to the next one. 3 plus 2 plus 6 plus A plus B plus 4 plus C. These are the like terms. Okay, so 5, 11, 15. Okay. Some sources might say about the modular, so I know most of you, for those 8th grade or below, you may not be exposed to it, so I'll try to avoid that. Just remember that this, or addition of this, gotta be multiple of 3. Well, from the 19, we can have like 21 here. So if you add these up, 21, 24, 27, and so on. Well, of course, you can have two big numbers because digit can at most have up to 9, right? Okay. The same is also true for this number. So I'm gonna just list a few numbers that makes this or divisible by 3. If you look at 15, it's already divisible by 3. So that means the addition of A plus B plus C also has to be, multiple of 3. However, because we have 15 on the left, we cannot have 15 here because we can have really 0, 0, 0, right? Well, we may, but let's just make it simple by saying 18, 21, 24. Okay, again, one of the numbers on the right has to be multiple of 3. Okay. Now, if you really compare the first equation with the second equation, the difference of, or let's say, if you subtract 19 on both, right, then technically you're gonna have A plus B equals what? 2. And if you go to the next number, it's gonna be, can be also be 5, and then or 8, right? Okay. Notice that we can replace this number or A plus B over here. Okay, so imagine you put here with 2. What happened? Okay, you're gonna have 17 plus C equals 18, right? Or sure, you can have 21 or 24. Okay. But let's start with 18. So that means C has to be 1, right? Okay. And then you might go, what about 21? If you put 21, that means A plus B plus C has to be 6. Okay? And if A plus B equals 2, then C has to be 4, right? We don't have the choice up here. What if you go with, let's see, 5 instead? 5 here. And that means 18 is not possible because we cannot have a negative digit for C. So that means C will be 1 again, right? So C will be 1 again. And let's say 8 again, that's gonna be, C will be again to satisfy 24. Again, you can't have 21 if you plug it in 8 into the combination of A and B. Because if you have a 23 plus C and if it's equal to 21, that means the C has to be negative 3, and again, the digit cannot be negative. Digits only can be from 0 through 9. So as you can see, you have like 1 or 4, and we don't have 4 as the answer, therefore you should go with A.